So a lot of people ask, should I make an extra payment to pay off my loan quicker? And the rule of thumb is one extra payment per year, one extra principal payment per year will knock about 6 years off of your mortgage. So sure, it sounds great. And should you do it? Absolutely. If you have the funds to do that, why not? The only time that I would say, let's not do that, and instead, let's take extra funds that you have and put them in a different direction, is if you have high interest rate credit cards, high interest rate debt. You should always be thinking about taking any extra funds that you have, anytime you have extra funds, and applying them and knocking down those credit cards as quick as you can. Then move on to your mortgage. And the reason I say that is your mortgage interest rate, mortgage is really the only good debt that you can have. And that's because it's debt on an appreciating asset. Okay, so debt on credit card, bad debt. And we want to get that paid off as quick as possible because unless you're getting a lot of commissions and a lot of extra money every month that you throw down and pay that off every month, those cards will just continue to snowball and grow and get out of control. And the next thing you know, you feel like you're never going to get out of that debt. So there's definitely a succinct plan. The best thing to do, some people say pay the highest interest rate first. The best thing to do is start with your lowest balances and just start knocking those off so you can get to a place where you're down to maybe one or two cards, and it's a lot easier to attack the debt that way. So if you have questions about this or you want some help, Michelle Oddo, the Oddo Group, Luminate Home Loans, we'd love to help you get into a better financial position, increase your credit score, and just create more financial health and wealth. Give us a call.